Welcome back to another edition of Gigi Cooks Healthy Meals, where today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest salmon bowl that you can make in the air fryer. We marinated some salmon in some soy sauce. We added some pickled vegetables on top of some quinoa. We added some avocado and also some edamame. Drizzled it with some spicy mayo to make it delicious. Let me show you how to make this easy and delicious recipe. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make this high protein crispy salmon bowl. I'll leave the full recipe in the description box. Boil your edamame and stir it well. Add the soy sauce to the salmon. Add your hot sauce, or you can even use sriracha. Next, you're going to add your honey. Then add your ginger paste. Add some pepper and a small amount of salt. Add paprika for color and marinate your salmon. Place your salmon in the air fryer and be sure to space them apart. While your salmon is cooking, we can arrange our bowls. Now cut your avocado. Now that is perfection. Speaking of perfection, look how amazing this salmon looks. This is the easiest salmon bowl you'll ever make. Juicy marinated salmon bites, air fried until crispy. Served over quinoa with pickled vegetables, avocado, and a drizzle of that spicy mayo. To make these spicy mayo, take 2 tablespoons of avocado mayonnaise and about 2 teaspoons of hot sauce or sriracha. Drizzle it over the top. This salmon bowl is large enough to feed 3 or 4 people. Now the best part is to try it. Come on, man, are you serious? This was outstanding. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, this crispy salmon bowl. I have more than 75 recipes on my channel here. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And also give it a like, a thumbs up, and leave it in the comments if you would like to eat this crispy salmon bowl made in the air fryer. Thank you for watching another edition of Gigi Cooks Healthy Meals. Make sure you click on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos.